Maggie! Marley! Marley, quit it! Oh boy. This is what my dogs like to do when it snows outside. I think they're mad. Well, as you can see, it's a beautiful winter day here in the great land of Ohio. Got to leave work early today because it snowed really bad. Almost died going home. There's lots of snow. I don't think I like it. I wish I was somewhere warm. Really warm. Marley, get that dog. Where's that dog? I like your beard, Marley. It's cute. You got a cute beard. Maggie, get out of the garbage. Maggie! Yep. It's really snowy. Yeah. It's kind of everywhere. And this is why I hate the winter. Let's see what's over this way. Maybe there's more snow. Oh look, more snow. The one thing I had to do today was shovel the driveway. I hate shoveling the driveway. Such a girl. My poor snowy car. Oh, look at that pile of snow over there. Look at that. La 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 la. Oh, people snowballing. Wish I had one. Well, that's about